How many letters of alphabet? Most of us, we were taught that there are 28, but there are 29. Alif is the letter of alphabet, but it is not consonant. It does not have a speech sound. When you say a, it is not Alif, but it is Hamza. And how do you write Hamza? This is Hamza, brother. Then what is this Alif doing here? It is Hamza's chair. Hamza is very delicate. She needs a chair. Okay? So here is Alif is the chair for Hamza. Sometimes Waw will become a chair for Hamza. And sometimes Ya will become a chair for Hamza. So Hamza has different chairs depending on what is in front of her. And sometimes Hamza feels strong and she doesn't need any chair. So there are many rules, spelling rules for writing Hamza that slowly we will learn. Now, how many vowel signs, brother, in Arabic language? Only 3. Dhamma, Fatha, and Kasra. Are you with me, brother? Dhamma, Fatha, and Kasra. Now remember, these are short vowels. Okay, they are short vowels. So if I say to you, if I write like this, what will you say? Boo, short, boo. Huh? If I write like this, what will you say? Ba, short vowel. Huh? And if I say this, then it is B, short. Huh? Now in order to do elongation, I put here Alif. Now you see, the job of Alif is to elongate. Now this is Ba. Huh? And then I put Vav here, and it is Boo. And if I put Ya here, it is B. Are you with me? Now, and there is a fourth thing we must understand, and it is called Sukoon. Huh? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? There are many ways of writing Sukoon. Sometimes it is like a tiny circle. Sometimes they write like this. Huh? But I prefer tiny circle because it's better when you want to understand properly. Okay. Now Sukoon is not a vowel sign. What is Sukoon then? Sukoon tells me that there is no vowel sign on the Arabic letter. Are you with me, brother? Okay. Where is the vowel sign here? On Ba. What is on Vaw? It's a Sukoon. Why? There is no vowel sign. There is no vowel sign. Okay. Now this you never write. Huh? You never write. But you understand. If I say Ba, where is the vowel sign? Ba. On the Ba. What is on Alif? There is a Sukoon. We don't write it. But there is a Sukoon. We don't write it. Huh? And what about B? Where is the vowel sign? On the B. What is on the Ya? A Sukoon, because there is no vowel sign. You don't write it, but it is there. Okay. I give you another example, brother. What is this, brother? Taba. What is it? Taba. Okay. And what is this? Tuba. Are you with me? Now I write down like this. What is this? Tab. There is no vowel sign on Ba. Tab. See how you pronounce Ba? Tab. Okay. Now if I say like this, what is now, brothers and sisters? Tub. Tub. There is a Sukoon on Ba. If I write like this, brother, Tubta. Huh? So we did not pronounce Ba in its normal way as we pronounce Ta. and this ta. Tubta. And if I put dhamma here, tubtu. If I put kasra here, tubti. So ba has a sukoon. It means it has no vowel sign. It has no vowel sign. Sukoon means there is no vowel sign on the letter. Is it clear, inshallah?